Hi, this is Alexei from PortaOne. In this presentation, I'm gonna tell you about how to make great products with PortaBilling, how to make a perfect end-to-end experience for your IoT. So target audience is device manufacturers, vendors of different IoT solutions, and service providers focused on IoT. If you are from this sector, most likely you have a strong vision of the products. You understand how you will change the world, how you will make a perfect experience and make end users love your product. And most likely you think that you can focus only on the IoT part, making great user experience, solving some real world problems, and offload the other part of this story. Connectivity, SIM cards, data, bandwidth to the mobile operator, so that they will be responsible for the SIM cards, connectivity, usage charges for the connectivity, and so on. In reality, it doesn't really happen, because for the telecoms, for mobile operators, these IoT SIM cards are low margin products, and they really prefer to sell the SIM cards in bulk to IoT vendors like you, so that you will be responsible for the distribution, you will be responsible for the activation, deactivation, revenue assurance, change of plans, and so on. So this is the reality, and if you know this reality, it makes easier for you to find out a solution, like what can be done and how you can adapt to this reality to make profit and to get good user experience for the end users, right? So one of the alternatives is to use PortaBilling, our billing solution, for both IoT usage charges and connectivity charges. Even if you are just starting, and even if you think that your IoT service is subscription-based, you don't have any usage charges and so on, still there are some charges related to connectivity. And you probably know that for the telcos, they have significant profit on the overuse on these IoT plans. For instance, if you have a plan up to 1 megabyte per month and you consume 10 megabytes, the end users will have to pay quite significant overuse charges for the service. That's why you need to factor this connectivity charges and make sure that you reflect them and pass correctly to the end users. So we can do it. We can make it with PortaBilling so that you can have a single bill for the IoT and connectivity, SIM cards, data, single bill. Right. So your job will be providing great IoT service, and our part will be focusing on this connectivity charges and presenting a single bill. And the second alternative is when you already have your management portals, when you already handle payments for the IoT services, and you already have IoT service configuration portals. We can also help you, and we can take this orange part. So we can take connectivity billing and SIM management portal as a microservice, so that every time when your end users need to maybe order a new SIM card or change some settings on the SIM card or reset the SIM card, you will be redirected to the portal, and our portal will do this job for you. So if we look at our tiles of what we can do, of course, like as a billing vendor, we can do invoicing, we can do provisioning and pulling usage from different systems like Cisco Jasper and a lot of other ones. We can provide self-care portals we can help you with the administration of this channel partners or resellers, so that you can focus on the IoT part, you can focus on the IoT services, and we can help you with the connectivity charges, SIM cards administration, portals for the end users to do this on their own, so that you can focus on the IoT part, and they will be doing all the SIM cards activities, administrations, payments, bill settlements, revenue assurance, without too much attention from your side. So contact us, and surely we'll make a great user experience for you. Thank you.